Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about cleansers. So these are my top 5 cleanser for 2022 or at least for now, and these are the cleansers that I've been constantly using every single day. All of them are affordable, some of them are fragrance free, but the ingredient list in all of them are superb. So if you are curious about the picks, then stay tuned. Coming on, the first product is my absolute favorite. I've been using this face wash for years. My sister used it, my boyfriend uses it. This is such a gem and it lives up to its hype. Yes, it has SLS. Yes, it has SLES. Yes, it has fragrance. But this is an example of well-formulated product containing some red flag ingredients that some of you might be concerned of. But the formulation is brilliant. It is a foaming face wash for a combination to dry skin like mine. It doesn't dries out your skin. It gives you this healthy glow and it almost brightens up your skin every time you use it. Rice water is known for its brightening properties, but I don't think face washes deliver that brightening properties. If you want an instant gratification from a face wash, this is your way to go. It is also super affordable. For 500 to 600 rupees, you get 100 ml, and trust me, this lasts more than 3 months even if you use it 2 times a day. I personally don't like to use any kind of face wash during the morning. For the night time, for the double cleansing, this is a brilliant option. Coming on to a safer option and coming on to an option that many of you guys will like. This is the Get Your Greens cleanser from Put Simply. Brilliant cleanser. This is a gel based cleanser. Cleanses out your skin thoroughly without drying your skin or making it feel greasy. This is a cleanser that would suit majority of the skin types we have. Oily, combination, acne prone. This is a great cleanser. The ingredient list is so nice. The surfactants are brilliant. There's turmeric root extract. It has some amazing flower extract. It has skin soothers like camellia leaf and allantoin. Brilliant choice. The price point is again super affordable for the product you get and the quality you get. Highly recommended for the winters. Coming on to face wash that oily skin people would enjoy. Now, this is a foaming face wash, meaning it comes in a foaming bottle. It does has a little bit of fragrance, but it brightens your skin just like the rice water brand. It gives your skin that glow and it instantly brightens your skin. This is from Dot & Key and this is a vitamin C super bright foaming face wash. There's blood orange and papaya extract and obviously vitamin C, but the ingredient and the overall texture is something that I really enjoy, especially for the winter months. It costs something about 295 rupees for 80 ml and you only need a pump of it, so it would last you for more than a month. Absolutely love this when I have applied a thick layer of retinol the night before and I want to cleanse it with a very mild and gentle face wash. This is the way to go. Coming on to gentle face washes, this is the most gentlest face wash that you would ever find. This is a 6% oat extract gentle cleanser from Minimalist. It has an inclusion of vegetable oil, vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid. It's a creamy cleanser. It doesn't foams up that much. It is the most sensitive skin friendly option in all of the products that I've mentioned. I enjoy it even for the morning sometimes, and this is one of the cleansers that I can blindly trust that it won't irritate my skin the first thing in the morning. And oat extract are known to be calming and soothing for your skin. So if you are chemically exfoliating your skin or your skin is facing a lot of breakouts and you want something that won't aggravate those situations, go for this face wash. A brilliant choice. Affordable, obviously. Technically it should be affordable. 299 rupees for 120 ml. Love this. Comes in a pump packaging and a brilliant option for even dry and dehydrated skin and obviously for the winters. I will do a winter skincare compilation just like every year, so stay tuned for that video. Coming on to my last pick and one of my recent finds, this is the Aqualogica's Radiance Smoothie Face Wash. It has watermelon and niacinamide and comes in this beautiful blush pink bottle. I don't know, pink skincare just excites me. She has a normal skin with a little bit of pigmentation problems and this particular range from Aqualogica really helped her a lot. That is what she says. But I personally love this face wash for the packaging, but the face wash itself is also brilliant. It's a gel face wash, foams up super nicely, and after you have washed your face, your skin is super supple, your skin is super radiant, and obviously it is affordable. It costs something about 299 rupees for 100 ml and it would last you more than 2 months easily. All of the face wash that I mentioned, I tried and tested on my combination and sensitive skin. All of the face wash are tried and tested on me for several months. After that, I'm telling like the best ever cleansers, obviously they have to live up to their claims. If you want to know about skincare basics and cleanser and cleansing and double cleansing, go check out my Skincare Done Right series. It will break down the cleansing to its core, and there are a lot of aspects and lot of methods in cleansing and in regular cleansing that you might not be aware of. Go check that playlist out. It would educate you about skincare in a very simple manner, just like how skincare should be. And this was my cleansers video. Let me know if you want me to do the same for moisturizers or sunscreen and whatnot, toners obviously. I would do the same. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends who are looking for a cleanser for this winter season or just in general. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye and take care.